farthen from down south until the Pashtun region of Afghanistan. So it was huge empire which was covered by Marathas warriors, right? So what happened? That point of time, in one of the battles, king from our side, right, went for a battle, right, and that point of time they realized their power is not enough. They would require some collaboration, right? So in those times, collaboration doesn't happen so easily. Nobody rely one another so easily, and they didn't have that kind of a resources like we are having this point of time. We can talk to anyone. We can get a video call on just a simple click, right? But that point of time, things were not so easy, right? So what happened? What was happening that point of time? If you are sending a message to one of other kingdom, powerful kingdom, they simply do not go ahead and make sure that they will be on your side or they will they'll put pat on your back. This will not gonna happen in those days. You will have to make sure that you are making something on spot or on what do you call? I mean, it's a simple business. They would want something out of you for their betterment. They want land or they want, I mean, soldiers or they want horses, whatever is the need of they would vouch for you directly. And even if they will not gonna help you, sometimes they backstab as well, right? So there were a lot of things that those were happening in those days. So generally, kingdoms do not believe in these kind of strategy. Alliances were not happening those point of time. But then, out of courtesy, one of our king from Hindu kingdom, he asked, vouched for help from Maratha warriors, right? And the Peshwa was Brahman only, and they heard, okay, if somebody is asking us for a help in a war, in a battlefield, we should go for support. So what happened that point of time? They went ahead, helped the king from our side, right? And then once the kingdom was saved, and they got everything what they wanted to, they tried to just move away from the place. But then the moral of the story, very important part of the story. I mean, so again, the king asked the king who had asked for a help. They asked, okay, what exactly you would want as a vouch for this massive victory, right? You help me, my friend. Come,